Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to BLUJAY Technologies. So what we discussed in the previous class, guys? Guys,
Linux commands,
Yes,
sir.
so Linux basic commands, right? So we discussed in the Linux basic commands, right?
correct.
Yeah, one second. So I will save this recording, one second. Yeah. Uh, AWS with the DevOps badge. Yeah. So we discussed about the basic commands, right, guys? A few basic commands in the last class. We discussed few basic Linux commands, right? So, so today we'll discuss about the text processing tools, guys. So what we will discuss today, we'll discuss about the text processing tools, text and file. Yeah. So I already discussed, guys, the text processing tool, something like a so before we discussed about how to how to go to the directory and how to create the directory, right? So the same like as a Windows. So if you want to open any documents or something like you can directly go to this, click it and you can directly open it. But you can write it, open it and create it. But in the Linux, everything through commands only, right? How we can how we can create it? How we can create a file, create, modify, and delete. So delete the files, right? In the text processing tools. So we have a three commands to create, delete, and modify the files. So one is touch, the second one is cat, the third one is VI or VIM, guys. So what is a touch? What is a cat? What is a So what is the VAM? So something like a cat, right? How you can see the document? If you double click the document, right? If you double click it, it automatically open and we can read the document in the Windows. But in the Linux, definitely we need to use the commands. That command is cat. So cat is the command. So cat is the command. So why we use the cat? To see the content, to read or to read the content of the file. Content of the doc or a file, document or a file. Just so guys, as of now, you remember something like why cat is nothing but to read the document, to read the document. So what is touch? Touch vi are same, but if you use the touch, right? So we can create a by using touch, by using touch command. So command we can we can create a file without data. We can create a file without data. We can use touch. So what is the syntax, guys? Syntax for the cat touch. What is the touch? Touch. So touch file name. What is that? Touch file name. For example, example. What is the example, right? Touch something like hari.txt. We can create a touch file hari.txt or whatever it may be. Cat. By using cat, to read, to read the, to read or to read the content of the file or a document. So what is the syntax for this, guys? The syntax is, so syntax is something like a cat file name, cat file name. For example, what is the example, guys? So for example, you want to see the cat. So this is absolute path, guys. Cat slash cat var log messages. What is that? Cat var log messages. This is the syntax for the cat. So what is VA and VAM? So VA is nothing but a visual editor. VAM is nothing but a visual editor improver. So for this, by using this VAM, by using this VA, we can we can create the file, create the, we can create, modify and read the content. Read the content, guys. So VA, VAM. So VA having, so what is the syntax, guys? Syntax VA file name. VA a file name. Example. What is the example, guys? VA something like hmm, applogs.txt. We are trying to create a applogs.txt. Okay. So VA has three modes, guys. VA has three modes. One is, so one is we had three mode. One is command mode. The second one is what is that? Command mode, insert mode, C, execute mode or extended mode. Execute mode or extended mode, guys. So why we need these three? So by using this, we can create, modify, and read the content. So most of the in the real time, we are using, most of the time we are using, the VI and cat. So VI and cat, guys. Okay, command mode and insert mode and execute mode, right? So what these three contains? What these three contains? Yeah. So right, so VIM editor, VI is nothing but a visual display editor. VIM is nothing but a visual display editor in improved. This command mode editor, editor for the files or other editors like Emacs, G editor. VI is the most popular editor, guys. What is that? VI is the most popular editor. It has three modes. So one is, so command mode, insert mode, execution mode, or extended mode. How many modes, guys? So we have a command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So how many modes, guys? So we have a command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So what these three are: command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So command mode is nothing but a, whenever you create a just a file, right? Once you hit right, it will go to the command mode. So in the command mode, we cannot do anything. We cannot add any data in the command mode. If you want to add the data in the command mode, so you need to go to the from command mode to insert mode. So how you can go to from command mode to insert mode? Just in the keyboard press I, it will go to the from command mode to insert mode. You can write the data, you can write the data, and you want to save the data. So we cannot, so in the execution mode, we can save the data. So we cannot directly go from insert mode to execution mode. So we can, again, you can need to go from insert mode to the execute command mode, then from command mode to the execution mode. In that execution mode, we can save the file. Guys, now you understood? So how many modes are there in the VI? We have a three modes: command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. What are those, guys? Command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. Command mode is only for having, so we cannot write the data in which In which mode we can write the data? In the insert mode we can write the data. So I want to save the data. So we cannot save from, we cannot go directly from insert mode to execution mode. Again, we need to go from insert mode to command mode. Then command mode to we need to go to the insert mode, execution mode, then save the file. Then save the file. It's a very simple guide. It is used to create, read and edit the file. Insert mode. So insert mode, what are the options, guys? So I is nothing but to begin the insert mode at the cursor position. Capital A is nothing but to insert the to insert at the beginning of the file. A is nothing but to append the next word letter. A capital A is nothing but to append the to append at the end of the line. O is nothing but to insert a new line below the cursor position. Capital O is nothing but to insert a new line above the position. What this is? These are the commands. These are the commands we use for the inserting mode. Then command mode. So what we are doing in the command mode, what we are doing in the insert mode, command mode. So in the command mode, small gg, if you press G double times to go to the beginning of the page, so capital G to go to the end of the page, capital W to move the cursor forward word by word, small b to move the cursor backward word by word. If you want to new, to move the cursor forward n words, NB means to move the cursor backward and forward. So U means undo the changes. Hyphen capital U is nothing but to undo the previous changes. Control plus R is nothing but to redo the changes. YY is nothing but a copy the line. NYY is nothing but a number of something like 5YY, 4YY, 10YY. We can copy the 10 lines. So P is nothing but to paste the line below the cursor position. Capital P is nothing but to paste the line above the cursor position. DW is nothing but a to delete the word letter by letter. X is nothing but to delete the letter to delete the word letter by letter. DD is nothing but to delete the entire line. NDD is nothing but to delete the n number of cursor positions. Slash is nothing but to search the word in the file. If you want to search any line, for example, error in the file, you can use the slash. Extended mode. Extended mode is used for the save and quit or save without quit using the escape with the colon, guys, with the colon or no semicolon. So escape plus semicolon. So escape plus semicolon W to save and change the changes. So without save, escape plus colon WQ save and quit. Escape plus colon W exclamatory save quit forcefully. WQ and WQ exclamatory to save quit and forcefully. Escape plus colon X save and quit. Capital X to say to give the password to the file or remove the password. To go to the line number 20, escape as yes set. This is set, guys. So set and is nothing but set the line numbers of the file. So set no and means remove the line numbers, guys. I will show you word by word. No worries, guys. Yeah, I want to create a file or a directory, guys. So Oracle Virtual Machine. Yeah, I'm starting the virtual machine. Yes, is there right? Already logged in now. Root, not thought we don't need to log into the server. So I'm using putty to log into the server, guys. Putty, yeah, 192.168.56.11.112. Yeah, I want to reduce the font, change settings, appearance, change, bold, 18. Okay, apply. Yeah, guys. Root, sorry, shit. Duplicate session, root. What is the password, guys? Password is Red Hat. Okay, so I'm closing this. Yes, guys. So data is something, right? Yeah. So this is the some data is writing in the screen. I want to clear the screen. What is the command, guys? CLEAR, clear the screen. What is this it? Or control in the keyboard, control plus is nothing but to clear the screen. Okay. Yeah. So what is the touch, guys? TUSH touch hurry.txt. Hurry.txt. So we can create the file without data. Yes, cat hurry.txt to read the content, right? Cat. So nothing is there. Nothing is there. We can create the file, but without data. Cat hurry.txt. Okay. For example, cat. I want to read the content. So cat var log messages, var log messages. You see the content of the logs, or you want to see cd slash var a log. This is the absolute path, guys. I'm going to the absolute path. Now you see the screen is filled with the data, right? I want to clear the screen. Clear, clear. Okay, so ls. So what are the files is there? Something like dnf.log, firewall d log, hacky log, last log, mail log. So right, let's check the log file. Cat mail log. Nothing is there. Cat dnf.log. Sorry, cat dnf.log. Yeah. So the info is there. Cat dnf.log info is there, right? Yeah, now you understood. Touch a cat. Cat is nothing but cat is only for to read the content of the file. To read the content of the file. Touch is nothing but we can create the file but without data. So VI or VIM, right? So VI file name, for example, hari.txt. What is this? Hari.BLUJAY Technologies, BLUJAYTech.txt, for example. Right? Yeah. So BLUJAYTech.txt, when we execute the file, so when we hit the vim.file, it will directly go to the which mode, guys? Command mode. Which mode? Command mode. Now we are in the which mode, guys? Command mode. So if you want to add the data in the file, so we want to go from which mode to which mode, from command mode to insert mode. If you want to insert any data, we need to go to the insert mode. So what is the button, guys? We need to press
I.
insert press I. Yeah, press small I. In the keyboard I am pressing small I. You see, guys? So now it is in the which mode, guys?
Insert mode.
Insert mode. Now you are in the insert mode. So in the insert mode, we need to add the data. So in the insert mode, yeah, insert mode in the, so I pressed the I to begin insert mode at the cursor position. To begin insert mode at the cursor position. I want to add the data. How we can add it? This is, this is the BlueJ Tech AWS DevOps batch 50. What is this, guys? So 50 and yeah, 50. Right. This this is BlueJ Tech AWS DevOps batch 51. Right. So this is BlueJ Tech AWS DevOps batch 52. Okay. This is BlueJ Tech AWS DevOps batch 53. Okay. So now I am in the insert mode. Yeah. So I added some data. I want to save this data. I want to save this data. So we need to go to directly, we cannot go from insert mode to execution mode. From insert mode to execution mode for saving. Definitely we need to go from insert mode to command mode. How we can go from insert mode to command mode? By pressing escape button. In the keyboard, in the top left corner, there is a escape button, right? If you press the escape button, it directly go from insert mode to command mode. It directly go from insert. Now you are in the insert mode, right? You want to go from insert mode to command mode again. So what is the option, guys? In the keyboard, you press the escape button. So I pressed the escape button. You see? So it's a went from it's went from insert mode to command mode. Now it is in the which mode, guys? Now the file is in the command mode. So from command mode, I want to save this data. I want to save this data. How we can save it? From command mode to go to the execution mode, then save the file. So how we can go from command mode to insert mode? Shift plus colon, shift plus semicolon. If you click the shift plus semicolon, so it will get the colon. Then colon, then So extended mode is used to save and quit or save without quit using escape key with colon. Right, guys, mute yourself. Yeah. So escape plus colon W is nothing but a save the changes. Escape plus colon Q is nothing but a quit without saving. So WQ is nothing but a save and quit. W exclamatory is nothing but a to save forcefully. Exclamatory is nothing but a forcefully. WQ exclamatory is nothing but a save and quit forcefully. X is nothing but a save and quit. So I want to save and quit forcefully. What is the command, guys? So you want to go to from command mode to extend command mode to execution mode. You can use the shift colon. Yeah, then you will go to the execution mode. Then you can save and quit the save and quit forcefully. I want to save and quit forcefully. Now I am in the command mode. I want to go to from command mode to execution mode. You can execute the command shift colon shift shift colon. You can press the command shift colon. Now you are in the which mode, guys? Now you are in the execution mode. Now you are in the which mode, guys? Now you are in the execution mode. Where you are? You are in the execution mode. In the execution mode, we can save the file. Save quit forcefully. What is this, guys? W is nothing but a save. Write. W is nothing but a write. Q is nothing but a quit forcefully. W exclamatory is nothing but a forcefully. Right? It's come out from the it's saved and come out from the file. Now I want to read the content if it is saved or not. Cat BluJayTech dot txt. You see, this is the BluJayTech AWS DevOps batch 50. The data is saved. The data is saved right and saved in the VI mode. VI mode. Guys, understood? So yeah, you want to read the file with VI also, right? VI BluJay tech dot tech txt, right? So while using VI also, we can see the data. We can see the data. You want to you want to add the data in the file again. How you can add it? Yeah. So use the VI BluJay dot text. So what is the extended mode? So you want to what is this, guys? By using VI, this VI we can create modify. I want to modify the file. How you can modify, guys? Again, we can use the VI BluJayTech dot txt. I want. I'm in the so where I am, guys? I am in the which mode? Once you open the file, you are in the which mode, guys? Command mode. So right in the command mode, what we can do? What are the options we can do in the command mode? In the command mode, so we can delete the data. We can delete the entire line by using dd. So let's try. So I'm coming to the down. So then I use double D in the I pressed double D in the keyboard. You see, one line is deleted. DD two lines is deleted. DD three lines is deleted. Deleted, right? I want to save the file or I don't want to save the file, right? Escape shift colon. Now we are from command mode to directly insert execution mode. Quit without saving. So we quit. I accidentally delete the line, but I don't want to delete these lines. I want to keep it these lines as it is. So directly you can what you can do, you can quit the file. Okay. Again, you want to see the VA BluJayTech.txt. Yeah, the data is deleted. No, the data is not deleted because of you did not write and save. You just quit the file without saving. That's the reason the last file, whatever the content is there in the last file, right? The same file will be showing. Okay, I am in the command mode. I want to go to insert mode by by pressing I in the keyboard, right? Yeah. So I'm adding. So this is the BluJay Tech AWS DevOps batch 54. This is the BlueJ Tech AWS DevOps batch 55. This is the BlueJ Tech AWS DevOps batch 56. Guys, so I write the another three lines. I want to save the right. So I'm in the so which mode, guys? I'm in the insert mode. I want to save this again. We need to go to the execution escape. Escape is nothing but a I'm in the command mode. I want to go to from command to the execution mode. Shift colon. You are in the execution mode. Now I'm using the quit forcefully. So because of I wrote the file, but I don't want to I don't want to save these files. I don't want to save these lines. So without save, I want to quit the file. So exclamatory Q and exclamatory. Nice. Cat BlueJTech.txt. Right, understood, guys? So I modified something like, and I don't want to save the whatever I modified it. Whatever I modified it. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a. So yeah, and again, vi slash etc not where log something like mail log dnf dnf dot log. Yeah, so this is the log file I created, right? Now in the which mode I am, just I open the file, right? I am in the command mode. I want to go to the insert mode. Or you can press I button in the keyboard. Now I am in the insert mode. So then I want to go down. Yes, right. I want to insert the data. You can insert the data by using so in the insert terms, right? So I don't want to. I will show you. Yeah. So a command mode, right? The command mode, small gg is nothing but a. So I'm in the end of the page. I'm in the end of the page. I'm in the insert mode, right? Again, I want to go to insert to command mode. Press escape button in the keyboard. Yeah, where I am ending end of the page. I want to go to the beginning of the page. So you can press small gg. Yes, two times gg. Where I am in the starting of the file. So capital G, if you press the capital G, you are ending of the line. So, okay. So this is going to beginning of the page. Capital G is nothing but to go to the end of the page. End of the page, right? UD is nothing undo the last changes. So undo the previous changes. You guys can explore this. So YY is nothing but to copy a line. NYY is nothing but to copy n lines. Okay. NYY. For example, I'm copying 5YY. Okay, 5 lines anchored. I want to paste it. Yeah, I want to paste it here. P. You say, guys, how many lines it's copied? 5 lines it copied. Okay. It copied 5 lines. Capital P is nothing to paste the line below the cursor position. DW is nothing to delete the word by word or delete the word letter by letter. So something like a 5W. 5W. So it's delete the word by word letter. Okay. Next. Yeah, X delete the word letter by letter. DD is nothing but enter line. We already know. NDD is nothing but a. So you want to delete 5 lines, right? 5DD. 2DD. Delete something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I'm using 5DD. It's deleted 5 lines. Deleted 5 lines. Okay. Yeah. So slash is nothing but a to search a word by to search the word of the a file. How you can search it. Okay. Yeah. Slash. The which mode, guys? Command mode. I want to search error. Let's see. No, no pattern found. Something like a from. We are searching from the just a from. You see here from. If you press the N button next, it will show the N next N next N. So what it is searching, guys? It is searching from. It is searching the from keyword in the file. From keyword in the file. Guys, understood? And next, so in the extended mode, so we need to go to the line number 20 or set the line numbers and the remove the line numbers. Okay. So for example, I want to go to the extended mode or execution mode. Shift colon is the extended mode. Now you are in the extended mode. So go to the 20. If you press the 20, it will go to the 20 line. We don't know, right? This is the 20 line or not. Okay. Set NU. I want to set the line numbers. I want to set the line number for this file. You see? So it's the line numbers are set for this file. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to how many we have? 100 lines, right? 100 lines. I want to go to the escape colon. I want to go to line number 75. You see, line number 75. You are searching line number 75. Okay. And press escape, shift colon, yeah, shift colon. So you want to delete the line numbers, set to no NU. You see, set the line numbers. So remove the line numbers. Set the line numbers is nothing but a shift set NU, shift colon set NU, set numbers. So I want to remove the numbers, set no NU. No NU is nothing but a remove the numbers. Remove the numbers. Guys, understood? Yeah. So this is nothing but a VI and so VI. Yeah. So text processing tools head, it displays the top 10 lines from the given document. Head file name, head hurry.txt, head hyphen. So by default, it will shows the 10 lines. So if you want only 5 lines, if you want only 20 lines, if you want only 100 lines, you can specify the line a number. Okay, tail displays the bottom 10 lines from the given document. So bottom 10 lines. If you want only 5 lines, you can use the hyphen 5. If you want 20, you can use hyphen F file name. F means follow the output will not close. Follow the output will not close. Less and more to read the documents page by page and line by line to see the content. Only there is no modifications. Less and more just to see the content. There is no modifications. There is no modifications. grep. Grep searches for the string or keyword from the given document. It searches the case sensitively and it prints the matching lines. Grep string file name. So grep-i string file name, ignore the case sensitive. Grep root anaconda. So it will search the anaconda. Grep hurry / etc pass wd. Okay. Pipe. So pipe is nothing but a, so shift plus I, the output of the first command becomes the input of the subsequent command. The output of the first command becomes the input of the subsequent command. So net start -ntlp grep http. So this is the first command. The output of the first command becomes the input of the second subsequent command. Okay. Word. Yeah, I will show you the, yeah, head. What is the head, guys? Top 10 lines it will display. Head var log dnf dot log. Right, it will display the top 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10 only. Sorry. So head hyphen. I want only first line. I display the first line. I want 3 lines. You can display 3 lines. I want 20 lines. You can display first 20 lines. 20. It will display the 20 lines. Okay. Control plus is nothing but a clear the screen. The keyboard control plus is nothing but a control plus L is nothing but a clear the screen. So right. Next tail var log dnf dot log. Right. It will display the last 10 lines. But So if you use the -f, it will not close the output because of the log is writing. System log is keep continuously writing, right? I need a last 10 lines. Something like we executed the tail where log DNF, and it's again created another line for it's an again log is created for the another line, right? It will remove the last line and it will added the new line. It will added the new line. For that purpose, we are using the -f. You see, the output is not closing. Whenever it created, right? It removes this one and it added the new line. It added the new line. Is understood? So you want to check the last 10 lines, 5 lines. Last 3 lines. If it is written another line, right, it will display, it will close this one and add it in the other line. So that display hyphen use, if you use the hyphens, if you use the -f, the display, the cursor will not close. Cursor will not close, right? Head to tail, more less, more var log dnf.log. What is that? dnf.log. You see, more is nothing but a we see the content. Yeah, less or more. To read the document page by page and line by line. To see the content only, there is no modifications. Enter, if you press the enter line by line, it will display. If you enter the space bar, it will display the page by page. Page by page. You see the guys, if you use the more, it will see the percentage of the file. So now it's opened 36 percentage. So I'm pressing enter. It will show line by line. If I press a space bar, it will display the page by page. So it will display the page by page by page. Okay. Or else less var log messages. Okay. So less, right? If you see the less, it will not show the it will not show the percentage of the file, how much you opened. So I am executing the space, it will show the page by page. If I execute the enter, if I enter the enter command, it will show the line by line. If I press the space bar, it will show the page by page. Okay, so this is nothing but a less more, less more. Now you understood? More, in the more, it will display the percentage. I'm pressing the space bar, page by page. If you press the line, if you press the enter, it will show only line by line, line by line. You see the percentage will be increasing while pressing the space bar. If I press the enter, it will not increase, it will not increase the percentage. Okay, so this is q is nothing but a quit the file or less more. Now we understood less, tail, head, tail, less, more, and grep. You want to grep the command, something like a cat slash etc var log dnf dot log press grep error. You see, so it will not search capital letters or a small letters. It will search only small letters. It will not search capital letter or mixed letters. So if you search hyphen I, so this is the case sensitive. It will search capital and small and mixed, both capital and small. There is no error, right? Messages. Yeah, you see, if you grep, you searched only the small error, but it will open the capital errors and it will open the both mixed small and right, and will execute the small errors, capital errors, and mixed.
Sir,
Guys, understood?
sir, grep question only.
Grep.
Oh,
Yeah.
grep command అర్థం కాదు.
Okay. So grep searches for the string or keyword. What is the string or keyword? Error is the string or keyword. Okay. Error is the string or keyword from the given document. I don't want to search entire log. I don't want to. I don't want to see the entire log. I want to see the just error. What is a just error keyword in that log or document? Right. I want to search where the log is there. and it will display the whatever the error is there. I want to display that line. So we can use that for grep command. What is the grep command? Very good. So grep searches the given document or a keyword from the given document. It searches case sensitively and it prints the matching lines. What it will do? It will search and it will print the matching lines. Okay. It searched the error keyword in the given document. Message contains a big file. Big file. I don't want to see the, so for example, this is the 50 pages document. 50 pages document. I don't have a time to watch and each and every document, each and every line or each and every page. I want to grep the error. I want to grep the error string or a keyword from the given document. For example, it will search 100 pages and grep that lines and print it in the screen. So that is nothing but a grep. Have you understood? Very good. Good question. Like pipe. What is the pipe? The output of the first command becomes input for the subsequent command. Input for the subsequent command, right? So this is the pipe symbol. Cat var log says messages. Just we are cat the message. We are cat the messages. So if you use the cat messages, it will display entire thing. Cat slash var log messages. So it will display everything. Okay. I don't want to display this one. I want to grep hyphen I only error. Only error. Okay. The output of the first command. What is the output of the first command? Just to display the document, the data. So input from the subsequent command. What is the input? So in the input, we need to grab the HTTP. We need to grab the HTTP or something like that. Netstat -ntlp pipe grep -I HTTPD. HTTP command is not installed, guys. Okay. So clear the screen. Yeah. It displays the content. Guys, understood? So word count, if you see the word count, right? WC-L, the name, you will see the word count. Yeah. So what are the next commands? The next commands are copy and move and delete. So what are these commands, guys? So copy, move and delete commands. So copy, move and remove. So remove command. What these are? What these commands? Copy command. Copy is nothing but to copy the file, to copy the file from one location to another location, or we can copy the file with a new name. We can copy the directory from one location to another location, or we want to copy same data with the another new name, so we can use it. So in the copy command, the original file or original folder will not, original directory will not change. In the move command, so the move command will execute, move the rename the file, hide the file and move the file. Yeah. So what are the commands, guys? Copy. What is the command? Copy CP. What is the command? Move. Move command MV. What is the command? Remove. What is the command, guys? RM. What is the copy? Copy is nothing but to copy the file or directory from one location to another location, a file or directory, and copy the data with different name, or copy the data with the same copy the data with same name, right? Move command. So move command can be, so it will execute three ways. So one is for rename the file or directory, or second one is hide and unhide, hide and unhide file or directory, and third one is rename, move the file and directory from one location to another location. Okay, so remove. So remove is nothing but a to remove or delete the file or directory. File or directory. So in the copy, right? So copy. So if you want, copy the directory, we need to use the -r command, -r option, -r option. -r is nothing but a recursively. -r is nothing but a recursively. Guys, understood? Yeah, I will show you that. ls. So BLUJAY copy BLUJAY to BLUJAY.txt. The content of the file will be copy from one file to another file, but we with a new name, right? Cat BLUJAY.txt. See the same content, BLUJAY tech.txt, the same content, the copied with the same content. If you use the copy command, so the original file will not delete, the original file will not rename, the original will not delete or rename or rename. It will be available. Just we copied the data, I copied the data and created a new file. A new file. Something like a copy BLUJAY tech./tmp. I'm copying this file BLUJAY-txt to temp with the same name, BLUJAY-tech.txt. The original file cannot move. The original file will be there. So I copied the data. I copied the file from here to temp directory. Here to temp directory. You see? So BLUJAY-tech.txt is there. Okay, it copied. I want to copy the files. These are the options, guys. Yeah, so -r. If you want to, so here you see, so copy source and destination. What is the syntax? Copy source and destination. Copy option source and destination. What are the options? -r recursive to copy a directory. If you want to copy a directory, we need to use the -r. V is nothing but a verbose to see the output. -p is nothing but a properties. Don't alter the properties. Properties is nothing but a permissions. Properties is nothing but a permissions. If you want to copy the directory, definitely we need to use the -r option. -r option. Okay. ls copy /temp. I want to copy the directory, right? /temp opt. I'm copying /temp directory to opt directory. cd/temp directory. Yeah, temp directory is not moved. The temp directory is there, but we copied this directory to which directory? opt directory. Yes, temp directory is there in the opt directory. rm-rf tmp. We'll show you guys. No worries. Okay. So the temp directory is copied from there to there. Okay. With the new name also. So cp-r/temp/opt and BLUJAY Tech. Okay. cd opt. Yeah, it's created a BLUJAY Tech cd BLUJAY Tech. Right. The data is copied with the new folder name but the content of the file, what are the content, what are the files and folders are there in the temp, the files and folders will be copied into the BlueJ Tech. Okay. RM -1 RF, I will delete later. Okay, it's copied. Now move command is nothing but a rename the file ls. I'm renaming the batch 50 to AWS batch. Okay, move batch 50 to batch AWS DevOps batch. Yeah, the original directory will be renamed. I want to rename the BlueJ hari.txt to something like new hari.txt. Okay, move hari.txt to new hari.txt. So if you use the move command, it will rename the original file. It will rename the original file. So move command is will be rename the file or directory, hide and unhide the file or directory, move the file or directory. Okay, so rename is done, a file or directory. I want to move this, move blujaytech.txt to /opt. You see, blujay.txt is not there because of it moved from /root to /opt, cd opt. Yes, now text.txt is moved from /root to /opt. Okay, again. So I want to move this directory also, AWS DevOps 50 to /temp, for example. Right, AWS DevOps batch 50 is not there in here. So it moved directly cd/temp. Yes, it moved to some other directory. It moved to some other directory. You see AWS DevOps batch. Okay. Hide and unhide. Let's see. What are the directories are there? I'm in the VWD, I'm in the root, ls, mkdir, BlueJ. Okay. Yeah, we have a directory, we have a file. So we want to hide and unhide, right? So hide, how you can hide the file? Move command, new hari.txt. In the destination before, you need to provide the dot. New hari.txt. Yeah, ls. So the file is in the hidden mode. The file is in the hidden mode. How you can see it in the hidden files? So the command is ls-la. ls-la is nothing but to see the hidden files. La means hiding files. So what are the hidden files? Hidden the dot new hari.txt. New hari.txt. I want to unhide this file. How you can do it? Move. So before source, we need to provide the dot new hari.txt before the source. Now let's see ls. Yeah, it's moved from unhide to hide, hide to unhide, hide unhide to move directory. So right, move blujay.bluejay. Let's see ls. Yeah, the directory is moved to hidden. So I want to unhide this. Move dot BlueJ. Yeah, it's coming from unhide. Guys, now you understood? So move command will execute three types. One is rename the file and move the file and hide and unhide the file. Next one is remove. What is the command, guys? Remove command to remove the, what is that, guys? A remove command. It is for removing the file or directory. RM file name. So RM file name. RM -file -f. What is -f? Forceful remove. It will forcefully removed. RM-R directory. R is nothing but if you want to delete the directory or if you want to copy the directory, we need to use the recursive mode. Okay. You want to delete multiple RM-RF, recursive and forcefully. If you want to remove multiple directories, RM-RF, directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. Yeah. Now you understood? So Ramakrishna. So now you understood, you want to delete the multiple directories at a time. You want to delete the one directory at a time. You can use that one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So where I am, PWD, present working directory. Where I am in the root directory, ls. So BLUJAY. So I want to delete the new re.txt. You see, if I use the rm, just rm, it is asking yes or no. It is asking yes or no. If you press no, it will not delete. So new txt.ts there. rm my fun f. F is nothing but a forceful image without asking yes. Without asking yes, it will delete automatically. Is it asked yes? No. It is directly deleting, right? Yes, ls. rm. So rm hyphen f. I want to delete the directory rm hyphen r. F is nothing but a forcefully. BLUJAY. Right? It deleted. It deleted. ls. rm hyphen r, just BLUJAY, it will delete. I want to delete everything. cd/temp. What is this, guys? cd/temp. You see, ls. So AWS DevOps batch 50. I want to delete AWS DevOps batch rm-r definitely, and because of that is a file, that is a directory. Copying and deleting purpose, we need to use the r. AWS DevOps batch 50 and BLUJAY txt and re.txt. So hyphen f, right? No. Yeah. So it is asking. I don't want to ask yes or no. You can use hyphen f. F, right? So yeah, nothing is there. Nothing is there. So mkdir systemd private. We need this one. Rm hyphen rf star. Star means it will delete everything. Yeah, nothing is there. mkdir day hyphen dub open braces 1 dot dot something like 30. Okay. So how many directories created? So week rm hyphen rf day hyphen 1 star. So it deleted 1 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9. Right? So deleted. So right, you want to delete 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You can use 20 dot star. Okay. Week, I will show you. Week. How many weeks it created? 30 weeks it created, right? rm hyphen rf week hyphen star. It will delete everything. You see. Deleted. So whatever the weeks, right? It will deleted everything. So you want to delete everything, right? rm hyphen rf star. Understood, guys? Understood? So these are the commands for deleting and removing, copying and text processing tools. Guys, now you understood? Guys, any doubts? Yeah. So you want to execute the multiple commands at a time, you can use the semicolon or colon, something like ls colon mkdir hurry or BLUJAY colon cat BLUJAY.txt. I want to execute the multiple commands at a time. You can use the colon. You can use the colon. So something like and yeah. So command changing. Execute the multiple commands at a time. You can use the semicolon. So and or it executes the second command if the first command is successful. If you use the and or it executes the second command if it is is for the first command is fail. Okay. Yeah, guys. So tomorrow we'll discuss about the user administration. User Linux user administration. Okay. This is most important, guys. User administration. We'll discuss tomorrow. Guys, understood? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Thank you, guys. So we'll continue from tomorrow. Okay.